I want to tell everybody here that during corona times, because those patients who are hypertensive, diabetic, those who are obese, they have more chances of heart attack. సమయం రివ్యూర్స్కి నమస్కారం. నేను డాక్టర్ త్రివేది, కార్డియోథొరాసిక్ సర్జన్, అపోలో హాస్పిటల్ అరిలోవాలో ఉన్నాను. So I am regularly doing bypass surgery to all the patients. So I want to tell everybody here that during corona times, because those patients who are hypertensive, diabetic, those who are obese, they have more chances of heart attack. This because of corona infection, some inflammatory response happens in our body. Because of that inflammatory response, the clotting tendency of our body increases. So we have seen that post corona the chances of heart attacks are more. We are getting more number of cases of heart attack, we are getting more cases of strokes, we are getting more cases having thromboembolic episodes. Yesterday only I operated one lady who was having clot in her legs, so I had to do emergency embolectomy also. One more thing I want to tell you, that those patients who are on prolonged steroid therapy, they are coming with infective endocarditis. Infective endocarditis means some infection of the valves of the heart. Just 2-3 days back I operated one lady who was having fungal infection of heart valves. Till now, fungal infection of heart valve was not reported, but it is very uncommon, but it usually happens in immunocompromised patients. So now we have seen 2-3 cases. After corona, they are coming with fungal endocarditis. That lady which I operated, she had Aspergillus fungal endocarditis. There was a huge, large vegetation in the heart which almost destroyed her heart valve. So she came with ISM, chala ikku ISM. She came with ISM and she almost arrested, cardiac arrest. So immediately we intubated her, took her in ventilator, and we took her into operation theatre. In operation theatre lo mottam valve was destroyed and there was a large vegetation which was pressing over the left atrium valve. We have removed that vegetation and did mitral valve replacement, and that vegetation came out to be Aspergillus fungus. So I want to tell everybody that you have to be very careful after corona period. Those who are infected with corona also, they should not relax, they should be more careful. If any symptom they are having, please consult your doctor. And those who are hypertensive, diabetic, obese, on steroid therapy, they should be more careful, and middle aged, they should be more careful. Otherwise life threatening complications can occur, and because of pulmonary fibrosis, hypoxia, we have to use steroid for a prolonged time, and they are on oxygen for prolonged time. So this prolonged usage of steroid, prolonged usage of oxygen, it invites to many complications, like patients become immunocompromised. So because of immunocompromise, this secondary infection occurs and fungal infection occurs. So we have to be more careful for this. Otherwise routinely we are doing bypass surgery. Bypass surgery ki we have seen that after corona, usually our bypass surgery, we patient used to get soon, they were able to walk and they were able to go home within 5 to 7 days. But those who are affected with corona, we have seen that they require more oxygen, they require more ventilation, and their ventilation period is more, and they require more oxygen and more ICU stay. So those patients, in whom we are doing bypass surgery are not affected with corona, and those who are affected with corona, the difference which we have seen, that those patients who are affected with corona are taking time to recover. They require more oxygen, they require more ventilation, they require prolonged ICU stay, and healing process kuda chala they require more time to cover up, to heal up. So because of this corona, lot of complications and lot of changes are there in the day to day management. So we as a cardiac surgeon, I want to tell all the patients that don't worry, we are there to help you out, but be careful and take your medicines regularly. And if you are having small symptoms also, small chest pain also, please get your checkup done. Please come to show to your doctor and get the things done, and never stop your medications. Keep continue your hypertensive medicines, your diabetic medicines, your anti-clotting medicines, everything you have to continue. Many patients, they come to me and they ask, sir, we have undergone bypass surgery, my mother has gone open heart surgery, she is taking blood thinner, our shall we take vaccine or not? This myth is in patients, that those who have undergone bypass surgery, those who are on blood thinners, they should not undergo vaccination. So I want to tell you that everybody should get vaccinated. No problem whether they are on blood thinners or they have undergone bypass surgery or whether they have gone open heart surgery. Vaccination is the only answer for corona. So please get vaccinated, and no need to stop any medications. You can continue medications and you can get your vaccination done. Only thing is, you should not have any infection or fever. If you have infection or fever, please consult your doctor, then take vaccination. And those who are on ecosporin, clopidogrel, blood thinners, without stopping any blood thinner, they can undergo vaccination. And those patients who are on anticoagulants like acetylene or Clexane or heparin, I would suggest them to check their PT-INR report, consult your doctor, and then get vaccinated. Thank you very much. It will be, hope in future we will meet again with your queries. Today I just wanted to tell you and give my message to everybody that those who are on blood thinners, those who have undergone bypass surgery, open heart surgery, please get yourself vaccinated, and vaccination is the only answer for our corona. That's all. Thank you very much.